Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with Shopper Informer, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Midtown Sling Bag, a great product by Athletico. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we've got this fitness sports bag. They're calling it the Midtown Sling Bag, a crossbody sling bag, a backpack, yes. And this is going to be great if you're into racket sports, tennis, paddleball, pickleball, whatever it is. This bag's going to be able to help you out here. Now, this is perfectly sized for paddle ball, racket handle, and all. So if you don't mind your handle sticking out, you could definitely use this for tennis as all. Nothing is off the table. We've got a lot of great products here that we're going to start looking at here closely. But overall, cutting to the chase, we've got a real nice bag here for you guys today, and you can pack a lot of stuff in there as well. So there's a lot of features, and let's get right into it. All right, so we'll start low and work our way around. So over here, we've got this nice side mesh pocket over here. You can use this for your water bottle, and it will hold a pretty good sized water bottle at that as well. If we come around to the back side, that'll be on your back. We've got a nice lower mesh padded area down here, and a nice usable strap that comes all the way down. On the bottom here, right, we've got two little hooks that you can clip in. So depending on how you want to use the sling strap, you could change it so it slings over the left or the right side if you're wearing it just single arm backpack style. If it's crossbody, you can also change that as well so that it leans across the body just the way that you want it. On the front side, we have two pockets here. We have a lower one down here, which has real good ample space, as you can see, left and right, yeah? And then the one above it here is just a little bit more narrow on the pocket, but it actually has a fleece lining on the inside. So if you needed to put anything important that you don't want to get scratched, like a cell phone or something like that, that would be the pocket that you're going to want to use. If we come up a little bit higher on the inside or the back part here, we actually have a security pocket. Yeah, so you can, and it's actually really deep here. It takes a little bit more than the hand and past my wrist. Yeah, so you can put anything important. So if you're out and about running around the city, doing errands and things like that, and you want to keep sticky fingers out of your bag, this is where you might put your wallet, your phone, or anything else so that nothing just magically ends up disappearing as you're running around the city. And then on the top here, we have like a little Easter egg, so it's well thought out. So they actually have a little hanging hook that's put inside here, so that way when you are on the court, right, you could hang this right on the fence instead of putting your bag down on the ground. And then if we start looking at the main compartments of the bag, we have the outermost one here, which has real good size. It's still medium large right here, plenty of space to store, you know, gym clothes or what have you, maybe even a pair of shoes. And then the main compartment in here is where you'll keep your racket. Definitely enough space, we're gonna look at this in just a second, that will hold your paddleball racket. You can get at least two in there. You get a few pickleball rackets in here if you needed to. And as I mentioned at the very beginning, if you don't mind the handle of your racket sticking out the top, you could also use this for tennis, racquetball, any of that type of stuff. So if we use the paddleball racket here I have for reference, if I were to put it into the outermost pocket, you can see that it almost fits, but just a little bit of the handle is sticking out of the bag. But if I take this and I put it in the main compartment, which is actually built for this, right, it easily slips right inside. Yeah, and I could definitely get two paddles in here, and it'll have plenty of space for the handle, maybe even three if I was really trying to squeeze things in there. But there is still plenty of space, and then I can zip this up, and I'm still gonna have a ton of space left in this other main pocket for gym clothes or whatever else it is. All right, so just for reference, this is what the bag looks like, fully packed out. Where you can see I've got my personal water bottle over here. This thing's nice and big and large. And then you can take the sling bag, sling it over your shoulder, wear it one backpack style here. And that's kind of the look that you got. If you want to take it, you can sling it over the shoulder. So now we've got that cross sling bag, adjustable strap naturally, so you can pull it up or down as you need to for comfort. And then it also has a little buckle, so you could open the two pieces right here and get in and out easily if you really needed to. Yeah. And then last but not least, right, if you don't like the way that the clip here is on this side, you can switch it over if you're more of a lefty than a righty. Yeah, you can do the same thing, wear it on the left side, all the same stuff again. But you got a really good sized bag here, and I love different types of athletic backpacks. For some people, you just need an athletic bag. You put all your stuff, throw it in the back of the trunk, it lives there until you need it. Other people, if you live in more of a metropolitan city, Chicago or New York, where you have public transit that actually works and is easily accessible, maybe you're going out on the weekend for a play session and you don't want to carry two separate bags, so you need a bag that's going to be able to carry all of your fitness equipment along with some little extras here and personal this and that, and this bag is actually going to be able to deliver with all of that extra storage here. So it is definitely a multi-purpose athletic bag and not just a purpose only athletic bag. So at the end of the day, this is a really great bag, and you can see there's a lot of thought and process that went into it and was developed by a company who understands the sport that's being played and how the bag will actually be used. You got tons of storage in it through the different pockets. You got a safety pocket on the bag. You can do cross sling over one shoulder. There's a lot of versatility that comes with this bag. 10 out of 10, would do again, highly recommend. So that's my opinion for the day, and to find more great reviews like this, check out shopperinformer.com. The link is down in the description.